Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to crumb coat your cake. This method is so simple and it's easy, but please note that this is a freehand crumb coating method. I'm not using any acrylic as a template to trim my cake, and I'm going to be trimming it freehand. But please ignore the acrylic disc you see under the cake. This is for the frosting of the cake. This is not for the trimming of the cake. There's a difference. There's an acrylic disc for trimming your cake and there's an acrylic disc for frosting your cake. So I'm putting this acrylic disc because I am going to frost this cake after I'm done with crumb coating. But in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to crumb coat your cake. If you want to find out on how I decorated this cake, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be posting the video very soon on how to decorate this cake. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. At this stage I am layering my cake. This cake is going to be a 4-layer cake. I am just frosting it. The buttercream I'm using here is the Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. Please check the icon above or the description box below for the link on how to make your own Swiss meringue buttercream. I'm going to frost each layer of this cake. Please note that I am not using any filling of any sort, as this tutorial is for the purpose of this video, so there will be no need for that. After layering my cake, I'm just going to remove the excess buttercream by the side. Because this buttercream is very soft, you have to chill it from time to time. At this stage, I'm going to head right to the chiller so that I can trim my cake perfectly. I'm going to trim from above, not cutting the cake down, like from up to down. I'm going to put my knife, my serrated knife, vertically and cut all the way round, and this is what the result looks like. Now I am going to use my leveling tool. It is leveled when the bubble is in the middle. My cake is level, so now I'm going to start the crumb coating process. I'm going to put enough buttercream. You're not to use too much, you just need to use what you need, which is enough buttercream to crumb coat it very well and would cover everywhere. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to somebody who needs it. Share it to somebody who loves baking. Share it to somebody who would like to start her journey or his journey of baking. I give free tips and tricks on this channel on how to get your baking issues resolved. Now I'm going to frost the sides of the cake with a very thin coat of my Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. You're not doing anything serious here, you're just putting a very thin coat here and you're going to frost it round at the top and by the sides. And if there's anywhere you feel the buttercream has not yet touched, you need to coat it. And when you're done using your palette knife to frost it, you're gonna go in with your scraper. This scraper would help you do a perfect job. It would smoothen it, it would be level, it wouldn't be rough, it would all be together. I don't know how to say this, but it will just come together. If you're not okay with what you see, you can go ahead, you can go once more with the smoother. If you notice, the smoother is directly on top of the acrylic disc on top. You can see an allowance on the disc. That allowance is for me to frost my cake because I have a second disc. So if you want to see how I decorate this cake, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting that video very soon. When you are done smoothing the side, you just have to smoothen the top, and this is what your crumb coated cake should look like. You can pop this into the chiller if you want. If you don't have a chiller, your fridge. If you don't have a fridge, maybe an empty freezer. This will harden up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye for now.